West Point, it's that time of year where we as a church give back to our community and we need your help. We will conduct our annual food and clothing drive now until December 21st. We are asking for canned goods, non-perishable food items, personal hygiene items, and clothing. We are in special need of men's clothes. You will see drop-off containers located in the main foyer. Let's be a blessing to those in need this holiday season. Stop by the Welcome Center for more info. Please join our outreach team meeting November 11th at 6:30 in the Fellowship Hall at the Hartfield Road campus. If you have a heart for serving outside of these four walls, ministering to the elderly, and reaching the lost, we need you. Can't wait to share the many opportunities available for you to use your gifts November 11th at 6:30. You can sign up today at the Welcome Center in the foyer. Over 750 of you have taken the 3-month tithing challenge. Your generosity says a lot about the condition of your heart. And a big thank you for all of you that are now giving online and through recurrent giving. For those who want to know more, visit thewestpointchurch.org from a mobile device or computer. You can even give online today during service. If you're currently serving as an usher or you were once a part of our usher ministry, perhaps you are a new member and you would like to be a part of this dynamic ministry team. We encourage you to attend a special usher ministry training and fellowship Tuesday, November 11th at 6 at the Hartfield Road campus. Get connected and help to move this team to the next level. Men of West Point, you are nearing the final stretch to becoming Kingdom Men. We are receiving powerful testimonies and stories about how our Monday night Kingdom Man sessions have been an eye-opening experience. You can finish strong and be all God has called you to be. Men, make plans to attend Kingdom Man Week 5 tomorrow. Immediately following, all the fellas are going to fellowship by watching NFL Monday Night Football on the big screens in the Fellowship Hall. Don't miss Kingdom Man this Monday at 6. Don't forget to visit our brand new website. It's still the same web address, thewestpointchurch.org, but with a new look and feel. It's easy to navigate and a great way to stay connected to the latest information. There are forms for member services and lots of resources that will help our members and friends stay connected. It's updated often, so be sure to visit thewestpointchurch.org today and bookmark the page in your favorites. Did you enjoy Redbox Sundays last year? Well, it's back, but with a twist. The month of December, we will kick off Redbox Sundays Christmas edition. For those of you who have no idea what we're talking about, Redbox Sunday is when we watch parts of a movie and listen to Pastor Kathy share the Word of God, highlighting key principles found in the movie, so that each Sunday you get a movie and a message. This is a great time for you to invite your coworkers, friends, and family members, especially for those who are guarded about coming to a typical church service. More details about Redbox Sunday's Christmas edition coming soon. A special First Wednesday worship is coming November 5th at 6:30. For those of you that are new to West Point, First Wednesday worship is a time where both of our church campuses gather at our Hartfield Road location for one dynamic service. Every first Wednesday of the month at 6:30, we have communion, baptism, and testimony service. The first Wednesday will also have J.J. Hairston and Youthful Praise as our special musical guests. So mark your calendar to attend First Wednesday worship, November 5th. First-time visitors, we are glad that you are here. Please don't forget to complete the Connect card envelope. You can place it in the offering bucket or give it to an usher. We have a special welcome gift just for you. Be sure to stop by the Welcome Center in the main foyer at the end of service. We sincerely hope that you enjoy the rest of the service, and we'll see you at First Wednesday worship with J.J. Hairston.